Alright, Jammin JD Sports Cards. Bringing you another quick box break recap. This is for the 2013-14 Intrigue and Court Kings basketball. Done May 2nd, 2014. There's everybody in the break and your teams. Again, this is just a recap. If you want to watch the full video, you can find that on our Ustream channel. Let's see, we'll start with Court Kings. The jumbo card for Utah. Pistol Pete Maravich. Going to the Jazz, Tyler G. Pretty sweet card. I got Tony Parker. For the Spurs, Daniel B. Spurs again, Tim Duncan Expressionist, Daniel B. Base cards, we got Vasquez for the Raptors, which goes to Benjamin A. Brandon Jennings for the Pistons, Chris C. Russell Westbrook, OKC, going to Andy L. Gerald Wallace, Boston, Tyler G. Kenneth Faried, I believe this one is numbered. For the Nuggets, Luke R. And that's 114 of 149. Caldwell Pope for the Pistons, Chris C. And that's 123 of 225. Hit Paul Pierce, Brooklyn Nets. Nice jersey card going to Steve K. 121 of 325. And this is ridiculous. David Robinson. Look at that. 3-color patch. Auto. Beautiful card. Fantastic player. Nice old school hit. 21 of 25. Spurs. Daniel B. Beautiful. Then we had Intrigue. We'll go through the intriguing players first. Spurs, Tony Parker. Knicks, Carmelo Anthony, which was Michael O. Dwight Howard for the Rockets, Steve K. John Wall, Wizards, Jordan C. And OKC, Kevin Durant, Andy L. 2 base cards. For the Kings, DeMarcus Cousins. And that went to Nathan F. And Ty Lawson for the Nuggets. Going to Luke R. The draft pick exchange was pick number 21. Sent that to random, and that went to Benjamin A. Next, we had Celtics. Impact rookie autographs. 105 of 149. And that goes to Tyler G. Another one for the Celtics. Dana Barros. 32 of 99. Immortalized autographs. Another old school hit. Celtics, Tyler G. And this is cool. For the Pelicans, Anthony Davis and Austin Rivers. That top right patch is sweet. 48 of 99. And Pelicans, Andy L. Good hit. Last hit, terrific trios, Cody Zeller, Alex Len, and Nerlens Noel. That is sweet. And that ended up going to Michael H. with the Bobcats. Sweet. Alright, that's it. Follow us on Twitter at JamminJDCards, and if you want to get in our breaks, we're doing them every Friday. You can grab a spot at www.jamminjdcards.com.